Koktishalot Raja Khora Agolini Rabindra BhavanoKaisa Pandani Bisingtwi Integrated Aqua Park ni Tolongthai Kaimani Panda Khlaijakha Manjaka Fisheries and Animal Husbandry Union Minister Rabindra Singh Hasini Fisheries Montri Sudang Sudas Montri Tingkoroi MLA Jitundra Mozumdar Akosong
Awaken Ashalo Fish Festival wo Khlaijakha Abunyaglo Pando Manjana Narwairok a Fish Festival no Berenekha Abunyaglo Pando Kokshanan Thanga Union Minister Rabindra Singh Tripura Hastewa Nangkukmani Integrated Aqua Park ni Tolongthai Khlaijakha hini shaka Haktor ganangai kaisisa Integrated Aqua Park tongo aboni bisingo Kaibri Aqua Park tongo North East honai
स्टेट है जहाँ पे फिश बहुत डिमांड में है
फिश डिमांड में भी है और फिश प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ाने का पोटेंशियल भी है त्रिपुरा में और उसी को बढ़ाने के लिए और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हम लोग आज इंटीग्रेटेड एक्वा पार्क दे रहे हैं और उसका आज शुभारंभ हम लोगों ने पूरे देश में 11 इंटीग्रेटेड एक्वा पार्क सैंक्शन किया है जिसमें 4 नॉर्थ ईस्ट त्रिपुरा में है, आसाम में है, नागालैंड में है और अरुणाचल प्रदेश में। तो 11 में 4 हम लोगों ने दिया है और नॉर्थ ईस्ट में फिश प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ाने का काफ़ी पोटेंशियल है, उसी पर हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भी अच्छा काम कर रही है। सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट पूरे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के साथ मिलकर फिश प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ाने के लिए और सेल्फ सफिशिएंट स्टेट को बनाने के लिए जो भी हो सकता है हम लोग करेंगे।
Today I am very happy to inform you that today under the leadership of Honorable Union Minister, Department of Fishery and Animal Husbandry, Sri Rabindra Singh ji, in presence of Minister of State George Kurian ji and other honorable ministers, MLAs and all the public representative officials, we are going to lay foundation stone of the integrated aqua park of Bisingtwi under Unukoti district. So it is our long pending program and I am really very much excited for this program, and for that particular integrated aqua park we are expecting that in coming days minimum 3,000 to 5,000 metric ton fish will be production over there. And as you all know, fish consumption is high rate in our state. More than 98% people are fish eater. So obviously fish demand is very high in our state. When we calculate our demand and production, we have 1,17,000 metric ton fish production in 1,17,000 metric ton fish is required for every year for the people of Tripura, and at the same time our production is only 85,000 metric ton. So there is a 31,000 gap, 31,000 metric ton gap. So that particular gap fish we are importing from neighboring state called West Bengal, then Andhra Pradesh, somewhere from Odisha, and sometimes neighboring country from Bangladesh. So this is the very significant matter for us, that now we want to increase fish production, at the same time we want to create more employment generation. So that is why this integrated aqua park will play a vital role to meet our demand as well as to make our state self-reliant.
What is the total investment in this aqua park that is?
As of now, we received 42.50 crore like this. So it is first phase. We are expecting more amount will be received, and our target was 100 crore for establishing the integrated aqua park. So this scheme it's play a huge role for meet the demand of especially Unukoti as well as other part of our state. So I would like to extend my heartiest thanks and gratitude to the Honorable Union Minister for Fishery and Animal Husbandry, Sri Rabindra Singh ji, for sanctioning such a big and significant project for the people of Tripura.
Last thing is, yesterday the minister has expressed to give full support to Tripura, and in next 2 months they are visiting Tripura. How do you
No doubt it is a great honor and great privilege for us Honorable Minister has given his kind consent that he is ready to visit Tripura again for overviewing and reviewing all the possible aspects, what can be done in the future endeavors, and what are the measures can be taken in the state of Tripura to meet the demand of fish, meat, egg, and other important things, and milk also. So it is really a highly honor for us. So we are excited. We are eagerly waiting for him for his visit. So let us see. But I am very much hopeful that under his leadership, under his guidance, we will receive many more projects, many more.
Raja Khorang Nishimi Pranamni Kokthum Chini Khorang.